and a polarizing lens.
Wait, bit about something?
Bring it out, lay it out,
And then leave.
walk past.
There's like a sort of
blinks.
red kind of ombre effect, but it's like very bright red underneath.
Yeah,
It's like
it's cool.
oh, we do a
And then up, and then look towards the board.
Oh, there's two of them. I want to be this one, and then I want to be this one. I have an idea, and then
He's drawing, and then... Oh no!
with purpose, like you're ready to get back to work.
Oh.
And some
We'll do
people,
that.
okay,
I have a little
so
tiny plastic one.
I think I'm going
like some
no.
letters and then prime, and then
Okay.
what do we do?
Tick,
No.
tick, tick, and then put them in. Bring them forwards together. Okay, now. That will do.